What's up everybody, it's Brayden here, and today we are back with a Trail Talk Tuesday. So, we were supposed to go climb Mount Saint Helens today, or tomorrow, but the gate to the climber's bivouac is closed. And I got an email about a week ago saying it would be open starting last week, and we just went out to a gas station. The dude was like, yep, it's open, I'll make sure you got permits, but it is not open. So, I don't think we're going to be climbing St. Helens. We might just be on a camping trip today, but let's get to it.
I left things unsaid, and you cannot forget how my mistakes haunt us, but do they really daunt us? Your tongue can be sharp, you've cut me close to the heart, but we can master the art. And the thing is that these scars.
Well, we made it to Marble Mountain campground and/or parking lot. We're kind of just camped out over here next to the parking lot. It doesn't say no camping or no fires or anything. There's people actually parked in the camped in the parking lot down there, and a couple groups around us. Pretty good community right now. So we're making some food for the night, and then we're gonna make a little fire and relax. We're not doing the same ride I did last time I climbed, so it's about another 1.5 miles farther. So hopefully my back can hang it up, and we make it through.
Just small scars. We
Ate
should
a pretty
never
solid
be
dinner,
afraid.
some Mountain House chili mac. Probably one of my favorite dehydrated meals out of their arsenal. But we got our fire going, and we're just gonna chill the rest of the night. When I was in Iceland, I got a couple Icelandic beers, and this is the last one I have. I'm not obviously 21 for another 3 months, so this is from Iceland. It's the last one. I bought it myself, so I'm gonna enjoy it before we go climb the mountain tomorrow. So I'll see you guys in the morning. It is a beautiful morning out here. So we got great weather right now, probably in the upper 40s, I'd say. I still got one layer on plus my long sleeve, but definitely gonna get hit by some sun today, so need to put some sunscreen on. And Brennan's taking his tent down over there, and then we're gonna head out, so should be a beautiful day. We managed to make it to the rock face to start the climb up to St. Helens. We're about 1.8 miles in or so of the, what I believe, it's 11 round trip, so 5.5 or so. We're about a third of the way there, but now we gotta start moving up a long ways. We got probably 3,500 feet of elevation to gain now in the next few hours, so we gotta get to it. But I'm already sweating. It's like 70 probably, or 60 already. It's supposed to be 60 at the summit today, 84 down low, so it's gonna be a hot day.
With all the minds we laid down, it's gonna take us some time, but I won't give up, though I know it is tough. We need to break our patterns. It's better now than...
So we're about, obviously you can see we're a long ways up here. We're making progress. We got a little bit left on this like false summit, and then we got one more big push to the top. Actually feeling better the more we do, so I feel like we'll be okay. Some people the first people are just going down now, and they left it real early in the day, so I think we're gonna catch a group. We've passed about 2 or 3 people so far, and we'll be heading to the top. But these boulders they're tiring, that's for sure, especially on the knees, but we'll keep it going.
I've drifted off too far. Let's tear down these walls. Our destiny has called. We're walking down a path, and the wind will change at last, like a song about a past.
We thought we were on the last push with that steep section, but we still got all this to do, so it's gonna be a tough one. I'm out of energy completely.
Won't you come and lay down next to me? Close your eyes and we'll be free.
Well, it took us a lot longer than I had hoped, but we made it up to the summit, and beautiful view of all the mountains behind me. We got invisible range right now. We got Jefferson, Hood, Adams, Rainier, and Baker. A little bit out there. Totally worth it, but we got a long ways down still, so it's gonna be a journey, but I'm glad that we made it up to the top. It took us 5 hours and 30 minutes or so. So about an hour and 20, hour and 30 longer than the last time I did it, but this route is a mile longer, so, and a lot steeper, but pretty happy. This is what I live for right here, going down like this. My favorite part of the climb.
I can't see the
That wasn't for me, there's a hole there.
fingers. Come on, let's rejoice of what.
I've never glissaded before. Glissading is one of the funnest parts about going down the slope because they'll make these chutes look like this, and normally you'll stay on them pretty well. You do get cold doing it, but it cuts your time in like half on the way down because you get going pretty fast, so it's definitely fun and I enjoy it a lot.
Won't you come and lay down next to me? Close your eyes.
Holy shit, this is fast. Oh god. Holy shit, that was fast. Alright, so we made it down finally. It's been a long day. We left at 8:30 this morning or so and just got back at 4:15. So managed to make it in around climbing time about 7 hours, total time almost 8 hours. Longer than before, but we did it. So I'm happy. We're gonna go get some dinner and drive home. We got about a 3-hour drive ahead of us, so it's gonna be long rest of the day, but hopefully you guys enjoyed, and if you did, hit that like and subscribe down below. There's gonna be a lot more hiking and climbing content this summer, assuming all the parks open up. We're thankful that St. Helens did, so thank you guys at the National Forest Reserve, and yeah, talk to you guys later.